the middle of the hanger like this. In the kitchen, it becomes the perfect holder for pot lids. Who knew, right? 2. Hack number 2. Cut the middle of the hanger and slide on a roll of kitchen paper. Hang it up and you've got an instant paper towel dispenser. So handy. 3. Join the bottom of 2 hangers together. No zip ties, no problem. Just use a string. Pull them apart and voila, the best way to dry pillows. 4. Hack number 4. Slightly bend the ends of the hanger. Now your pants will never slip off while drying. Bend it a bit more and it's perfect for drying shoes too. Fold the hanger like this and give it a little twist. Now you've got a smart organizer for other hangers. No more tangled mess. Hack number 6. Fold the hanger inward and curve the ends into hooks. A few more bends and you've got a stand for your tablet. Who needs to buy an expensive stand now? 7. Pinch the hanger and bend both sides at a 90-degree angle. Hang it on the wall and you've got a stylish rack for newspapers and magazines. Super cool, right? 8. Hack 8. Twist the hanger just like this, and believe it or not, you can turn it into a hanging basket. Curious to see these tricks in action? Stick around till the end. You won't believe how useful a simple hanger can be.
Hack number 9. Want a simple trash can? Just pull the hanger apart, fold it back and bend the hook down. Do this 3 times, then combine and secure them together. And just like that, a cute little hanging trash can for your space. 10. Need a hanging basket for afternoon tea? Bend the hanger like this, combine 3 of them and secure them tightly. You now have a beautiful hanging basket to display your snacks in style. Hack number 11. Here's a clever bathroom trick. Bend the hanger into this shape and hang it on the sanitary napkin holder. It also works perfectly as a toilet paper holder. Super practical. This time it doubles as a toothbrush holder. Who knew a simple hanger could be so versatile? But wait, there's more. Clever Tipster has also shared amazing tricks with dish soap bottles and laundry detergent bottles. Make sure to check those out.